Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're counting down 51 of the most unique and mind-blowing facts about the world that you've probably never heard before. Let's get into it. 1. There's a town in Norway called Hell. And yes, it freezes over every winter. So technically, hell does freeze over. 2. Bananas are berries. But strawberries? Not berries. Biology is weird. 3. There's an island in Japan full of bunnies. It's called Okunoshima, and it's insanely adorable. 4. You can actually smell rain before it falls. That scent is called petrichor. 5. Russia is so big it spans 11 time zones. You can literally have breakfast and dinner on the same day in 2 different centuries. Okay, not really, but you get the idea. 6. The Eiffel Tower grows taller in summer. Heat expands the metal by up to 6 inches. 7. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists found pots of it in ancient Egyptian tombs, and it's still edible. 8. Cows have best friends, and they get stressed when they're separated. 9. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. Yes, square. And scientists think it helps prevent it from rolling away. 10. There's a species of jellyfish that can technically live forever. It resets its life cycle when threatened. Basically, it's the Benjamin Button of the ocean. 11. You can hear rhubarb grow. In dark forcing sheds, it grows so fast it makes popping noises. 12. A single cloud can weigh over 1,000,000 pounds. Good thing clouds float. 13. There's a lake in Senegal that's literally pink. Lake Retba. It gets its color from salt-loving bacteria. 14. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. They can slow their heart rate and stay underwater for up to 40 minutes. 15. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. Weird, but efficient, I guess. 16. There's a place in the Pacific Ocean called Point Nemo. It's the furthest spot on Earth from any land. The closest people to it? Astronauts on the International Space Station. 17. The world's largest desert isn't the Sahara. It's Antarctica. Deserts are defined by dryness, not heat. 18. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, 1 to the body. 19. And when they swim, the heart that pumps to the body stops. 20. The unicorn is Scotland's national animal. Mythical? Yes. But try telling that to a proud Scotsman. 21. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It rotates so slowly, its day takes 243 Earth days. 22. In South Korea, there's a special romantic day on the 14th of every month. Valentine's Day is just the beginning. 23. More people have cell phones than access to clean toilets. Let that sink in. 24. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping so they don't drift apart. Relationship goals. 25. In Iceland, there's a holiday where everyone gives books to each other and spends the night reading. It's called Jólabókaflóðið, the Yule Book Flood. 26. The shortest war in history lasted only 38 minutes between Britain and Zanzibar in 1896. 27. There's a mushroom in Oregon that spans 3.5 miles wide. It's one of the largest living organisms on Earth. 28. You can fit all the planets of the solar system, side by side, between Earth and the Moon, with room to spare. 29. The inventor of the Frisbee was turned into a Frisbee after he died. He was cremated and molded into a disc. 30. Some cats are allergic to humans. Now that's karma. 31. Lightning strikes the Earth about 8 million times a day. That's about 100 times a second. 32. A bolt of lightning is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. 33. In Japan, there's a word for buying books you never read, tsundoku. 34. Trees talk to each other using underground fungi networks. It's like the internet, but for plants. 35. The inventor of the Pringles can is buried in one? Seriously. 36. The voice of Mickey Mouse married the voice of Minnie Mouse. Real-life Disney romance. 37. In the Philippines, there's an island inside a lake, on an island, in a lake, on an island. Yeah. Try mapping that. 38. Antarctica has no official time zone. Each research station just picks its own. 39. The longest hiccuping spree lasted 68 years. Someone give that man a glass of water. 40. There's a hotel in Sweden made entirely of ice. And yes, it melts and gets rebuilt every year. 41. The Canary Islands aren't named after birds. They were named after dogs, Canaria, in Latin. 42. The human nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents. Your nose is more powerful than you think. 43. In Dubai, they have gold dispensing ATMs. Forget cash, withdraw gold bars. 44. You can see rainbows at night. They're called moonbows, and they're rare, but real. 45. Sharks existed before trees by about 200 million years. 46. A snail can sleep for 3 years. Now that's a nap. 47. There's a town in Alaska where the sun doesn't rise for 65 days in winter. 48. Bubble wrap was originally invented as wallpaper. Imagine your walls going pop every time you lean back. 49. Before erasers, people used breadcrumbs to remove pencil marks. Messy, but effective. 50. The first alarm clock could only ring at one time, 4 a.m. The guy who made it just wanted to wake up early for work. And finally, fact number 51. There are more fake flamingos in the world than real ones. Thanks, lawn ornaments. So there you have it, 51 of the most unexpected and fascinating facts about our world. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more weird, wild, and wonderful facts, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay curious.